Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you, this is step by step how to view the word count on your WordPress website. So if you are writing a post or pages on your website, you want to know how many words you've written so far. So you can view that on your WordPress editing tools. So here is how you can do that. So first thing you want to do, so let's say I want to view a page, a word count of one of my page here, one of my websites. So if you want to add new posts or pages, you can go from here. If it is post, you can just click post, then you add new post. If it is pages, you can just click page here and add new page to your website. So you can also go from here and go to your dashboard area. So if you already have a post on your or pages on your website, you can just go over to the post and go to all posts. Then from there you find the one that you want to know how many word counts is. If this pages, you can just go from all pages here. So let's say I want to find out how many word count is on one of my pages here. So I'm just going to click on all pages. So if you want to add new, you can also add new here. Here is the page that I want to know how many words. So I want to know the word count of this simple page here. So I'm just going to click on it on the simple page. So here is the classic editor. I'm using classic editor right now. And I'm also going to show you how to do that on the block editor. So you are going to see how to view the word count on your block editor using the block editor. So when you scroll down here, you'll see the word count. So now we have 153, 105, 153 here of the simple page. The simple page word count is 153. So this is the word count right there. So if I add more words now, so it's gonna highlight it here. As you can see, that's how you view the word count on your website using the classic editor. Now let's do it with the block editor. If you want to switch this page to block editor, you have to go to your settings here. So you want to go to your settings area here and go to written. You want to set it up first on the index. So here you want to make classic editor. The classic editor is the default editor for your website. But here you want to allow it to switch. You want to allow user to be able to switch. So you want to take this place here. So this will enable the decision box on your in each post of your website. So you'll be able to switch from classic editor and block editor on your website. So when you scroll down here, you click save changes. Now let's go back to our page again, and I'm going to show you right now what we got. So let's edit it with classic editor again. So now this is a simple page again now. So now if you want to switch from here to block editor, you can just click switch to block editor. So now the switching box is there because we've activated from our general setting there. So now let's switch this page to block editor. So now this is the simple page. So now we want to know how many words. We want to know the word count of this post here. So to do that, you want to highlight all this page here. And when you highlight it, it's going to show up here. So this is the word count. 1555 right there. So that's how you view the word count using the block editor. You are going to highlight all those words, and so when you highlight the content here, it's going to show up the word count here at the right sidebar here. So now you can see the word count here, blocks and 155 words. So that's how you view the word count on your WordPress website using so now let's say you want to switch this page back to classic editor. You can just click the sidebar here and click switch to classic editor. So when you click on that, it's going to switch this page back to classic editor, as you can see right here. So guys, that's how you view word counts on your WordPress website if you use classic editor or you use block editor. If you have any question, have anything to say about this video, please leave them in the comment section down below. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video.